So alright, we're doing our next comment section video. We didn't even gonna do no long introduction, just like the video for now. Cause I know by liking the video, not help me grow the channel, cause YouTube not help me at all. Anyways, the video name Jamaican nice and crazy. We're crazy. Let's jump into it. Aya so nice. Aya so nice. I must want to wake you at this. I would, well, rest in peace to the person, but in wake, turn up, talk truth. Yeah man, more by everybody else so rum man. Alright, we're going in that comment section and see what fellow Jamaicans are saying. Imagine waking up and not being Jamaican. I've said this all the time. I love America, you know. But if I wasn't born in Jamaica, I would feel some type of way. I ain't lying to you. Yeah. A rum cause this, you know. And free food. I kid you not. You know it. What kind of rum? Jerry and nephew. Country dead yard is a different vibes. So true. I've been to a few. I tell us a party shot like M16. AK magazine. And nobody now medicine, you know. I guess this is in regards to the guy in the tree. The boss just up in a tree and doing thing. Maybe I expect a crowd. Cause I was wondering if I want a cat in a tree and somebody a shake a goddamn tree. But it like so many glasses cause each tree a shake but no one was beneath it. How I thought someone was shaking the tree but yet no one was there shaking the tree. Me need glasses. Anyways, then cool guitar man. He was funny too. In a blue shirt. I go through the crowd. Not even Hurricane Burl. No strong so. A true man. It a shake, it a shake, it a shake. Jamaica never stop keep. Hey, we always on the go. Destiny want hear this. I don't know what that or who this up. All me know Destiny hate Damien till eternity. Huh? I don't get that, but skip that. Watch the man in the tree to pea clot. A theme place. Hey, somebody good man, you know. Somebody baby father probably. Oh my gosh, Jamaica is not a real place and Jamaicans are not real people, and that was a good one. And speaking of rum, we're gonna go there.
Tap, drink the rum and tell lie pan people after you don't drink. Bruh. See how you look on your rotted clout. Look at the bush and carry your damn weight. Now you go drink so you can't carry. Rotted clout in turnover. Kid, pick up yourself. Look how you carry yourself. Phoebe go dirty man.
You dirty pussy was grandpa give me money.
Put on a stone. Yourself, if you try pick up, you can't pick up stone.
Oh shit.
Look on your damn head. But you can't do.
Listen, I found the original video for this sound. So obviously they put the sound on the Rasta here. Rasta, if you leave the rum alone, me know Mr. Potter gonna say a rum cause this. Yes, Mr. Potter, a rum cause it. Now we are going at the comment section. Jamaica always a keep. Hey, the comment they can always expect it in our comment section in regards to a video like this. Say obey them, obey you. And yourself if you try pick up. So true. I can't laugh. Oh, Jamaica life sweet. I true that man. Somebody say me belly. Probably them belly I hurt them from laughing. Talk truth now, my friend. Yeah, man. Man, them we stop drinking rum, man. That's why they manhood no up so. They manhood so. I want woman comment that. So no matter things I watch manhood. Mine strong. Is this the guy that took me a year to bring a warm red stripe beer? I want a white woman comment this. Like she asked somebody for a red stripe beer and I'll know a red stripe beer in a reach. Your boss gone to a bar, go and drink rum, lady. You have to go find your own beer. So Jamaican stay. LOL, somebody reply, or the post a reply. LOL, yes, that's what happened. Too much rum. Oh boy. No more good comment now. Be everybody a laugh. Everybody a laugh. Everybody a laugh. Hey, me hope you have a laugh. You see the rum? Leave it alone. But anyways, if you like rum cream and you like Hennessy or you dislike Hennessy but you want to have a nice little buzz, dip one little bit of Hennessy in your rum cream. However, if it's Jerry and never rum cream, leave it alone. Okay. Anyways, thanks for watching the video. Like the video for me, share it, subscribe, click the notification bell. You know, say I push the channel. So just share the video on your Facebook, share the video with one person on your WhatsApp and on your regular message. Respect. Stay safe. God bless.
Tap, drink the rum and tell lie pan people after you don't drink. See how be there, you look on your rotted clout. Look at the bush and carry your damn weight. Now you go drink drinks so you can't carry. Rotted clout in turn over. Kid, pick up yourself. Look how you carry yourself. Phoebe go dirty man.
You dirty pussy was grandpa give me money.
Put on a stone. Yourself, if you try pick up, you pick up stone.
Oh shit.
Look on your damn head. But you can't.